Hey Hastings fam, so we are back. Make breakfast with us this morning. So I'm just cracking some eggs. Let me know in the comments below if you take the eyes out of your eggs as well. This is me just searching for all of them. Sometimes it can be a bit slippery. Look at that. Somebody could look at that. Right, so now we're scrambling those eggies, and I normally just put it in a bowl and scramble them together first, and then I put it into the pot. I also like to scramble my eggs with butter. So that's just Mira's croissant getting golden crisp in the oven. That's the only way she likes it. So yeah, we're making some mint tea. Can you guess who the mint tea is for? Of course, it's for Babe. So we're having some mint tea with some honey as sweetener. And then I am going to be making my coffee in a bit. Okay, so we've just melted some butter, put the scrambled eggs in, and then you're going to move it from side to side. Bam, bam, bam. You don't want to scramble it too much. If you scramble it too much, I don't like it. It's just my preference. Yeah, so I just move it from side to side, and then I usually take out mine when it's almost done, and then Babe and Amira tends to like it when it's more well done, more on the dry side. So yeah, then we're pairing it with some toast, which we are gonna put some butter on. Yeah, butter good girl, she butter butter butter. We're having that with some fruit on the side and some vegetables and do you guys like toast with your eggs? Let me know. What do you have with your eggs mainly? I would have loved some plantain with this, but yeah, that's gonna do. So veggies on the side, fruit on the side with our egg and our bread. Right, so coffee time. I'm just putting some cinnamon and frothing that milk. I warmed it up already, so it is hot milk, and I'm just going to be adding that to my coffee. I just make really strong coffee, not an espresso, just really strong coffee, and then add the milk to that. And then sometimes I have French vanilla. But I think I just made a plain one today. Now we're at the Jamaican shop. So we like to go to the Jamaican shop maybe like once a month and top up on little bits that we may feel like. This shop varies and changes every single time because literally the Jamaican shop is a mood. What we're craving at that time is what we're gonna buy. There's no list when we go to Jamaican shop. It's pure vibes. Whatever we feel like, that's what we're buying. Guys, they had bun. Obviously, we had to buy bun for Easter. They had Yummy and National. I think we went with the National one in the end. And then Amira J got a small spice one because she absolutely loves it. She eat those all year round anyway. We got some water crackers. It was a toss-up between that and Excelsior. But we went with the water crackers by National, yeah, that's the one we went with. And then now I'm just showing you that I normally get like a brown stew liquid seasoning mix. I tend to go between that one and the oxtail one. Plantain chips, that's my favorite from the Jamaican shop. I always get that pretty much every time. That's probably the only consistent thing that we get. And now we're just looking at some pig's tail because I'm gonna make stew peas. No, I'm lying. I made red pea soup with pig's tail and beef. It was so good. Spinners didn't eat, and we did drop some potatoes, and it was just so good. And Amira J enjoyed that with some crackers. But yeah, she's just picking up some time now, and we're gonna check out. Oh, she's having a little fiddle with the bag. Yeah, pop that in, princess. There we go. Right, so after the Jamaican shop, then we do the normal grocery shop. Amira J is just having a nibble of her bun while we go around and shop. So yeah, shop with me. I'm going to show you pretty much some of the things that we get because I forgot to record it halfway through. But yeah, some of the things that we get in our weekly shop. So let's go shopping. So skip to the next day. Yesterday you guys went shopping with us at the supermarket, so at the moment we're actually getting ready to go on a date night. So it's like a casual little movie sittings. Me and babe gonna go watch John Wick. Let me know if in the comments if you've seen John Wick.
John Wick 4.
Oh, John Wick. Pardon me. John Wick.
John Wick.
Okay, sir. John Wick 4. We love John Wick series. We've watched like all of them. So this is the last one. Sorry, I'm probably spraying you guys at this point. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do. And then yeah, that'd be nice. We went to The last time we went cinema, we went and saw, what's it called? What was it? Lyle Crocodile or something like that, with Amir and Jay. That's the last time we went, so it'd be nice for it to just be me and babe. Just brushing my hair at the moment, but for now we gonna work with a little ponytail. Okay, let me just check the mirror. Let me say, them want a great ear them in my ear. I cannot, like, I'm sorry. When did we have a conversation that you're gonna come? But yeah, this is cute. This can go on. I'm just gonna put some earrings in now, and then we're gonna go. The movies are at what time is it again? I don't remember. Let me brush my edges and then I'll be all ready. Right, let me put this away. I'll show you guys the outfit of the day in a minute. Well, outfit of the evening. It's still daytime though. Alright, let's see. I'm wearing a sweatshirt and a leggings. I'm going to show you guys because these leggings, I got them on Amazon and I got them in 3 colors. I got black, green and grey. Girls, get on it. I'm going to leave a link because I have an Amazon storefront, so I really appreciate if you guys support that. I'm going to put a link down below so I can look at the leggings. I'm looking at them still good, sit on my good, and they're so soft. Like let me show them. Guys, at what point did we start speaking another language in the Hastings household? Because I don't know what these two are on. We're here now, guys. We bought the tickets online, so we don't have to worry about that. Technically it started already, but they have like intro bits and stuff before, so we're gonna go get some food. We're buying out the whole snack counter: nachos, popcorn, hot dog. Right? No, I'm joking. But let's see what's happening. Alright, come on. I thought the battery was flashing. I was gonna say. So we're at the cinemas now and we're just gonna go to the snack counter and get some nibbles. We're just paying for the food now. We got some popcorn as well as a hot dog and I think a drink. And then we're just gonna go through, scan our tickets because we purchased them online, like I said. Scan the tickets and then find our seats. Oh, also, do let me know if you've seen John Wick #4 and did you enjoy it? It was really good, actually. We ended up really loving it. It's something that we'll watch like every single series of, so yeah. So next up we went for part 2 of date nights and we had a bowling game. So with this is just us setting up the screen there. You put your names in and then you take a picture as well. I thought the picture was going to be just like the little box next to the person, but it was the whole screen, which was pretty hilarious. We had a good laugh about that. And then yeah, we just took turns bowling. I did really well, of course. That's my happy dance then. But yeah, it was really good and it was really fun. Don't leave me here and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby.
whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
Okay, so you know we have to get our princess something, even though it's late night. We have to get a Liège. So, what do you guys think she'll like? I think she definitely wants. Eggs? No. This one. Get a couple of them. Get some teeth. I think she'll like Let's get gummies. She loves gummies. What else? These ones? What do you think? Yeah? That's it. It's the smallest pickle mix bag ever, but
That's it.
Not sure. Guys, we came home. We decided we didn't want any road food. Come home and make the fish on Good Friday with some veggies. And yeah, that's what our Friday night dinner is looking like. So it's Easter Sunday morning and I made cabbage and saltfish with sausages and dumpling for breakfast. It was so good. Go be about look at him, look.
What? Oh my God! What happened there? Oh my God!
Woo!
Oh my God! Did you see that one?
Put in your basket. Let me see your bag.
Oh.
Let me see your bag.
Alright, I'm gonna go.
Did you find more? Ooh. The shoes. There's lots. Good hiding, Daddy. Good hiding. They're really hidden.
Are you serious? Nah, not one job.
Great. Good job, Amira. You're really finding them. No, I don't think anything's in there.
This way.
Oh, Bebe, jeez.
These?
Did you just dash the money? Wow. What else?
Wonder where Mr. Bunny could be. Where's a big, big, big surprise?
Together?
Maybe in the oven, I don't know. Whoa!
Little buddy.
Yay! Show me all of them. You want to empty them all out?
Ready. All done.
Empty them all out. Wow. Whoa, whoa! Look how many! Wow!
Happy Easter. Count how many. Yeah.
Baby, can mommy have some? Can I have like all of these and then you just have the bunny? This is a chocolate melt. You put it in milk and you watch him melt. It's hot chocolate. Isn't that cool? Guys, so we're at this place. They're teaching about recycling and she's gonna get to design her own pebble. You want this one? Yeah? Okay, hold it. So this, how long does it take for it to decompose? So when people litter on the road and in the ocean, how long does it take for it to disappear? A can takes 50 years. That's a long time. A tire, how long does that take? 2,000 years. Shoes, how long? 40 years. Toothbrush, 500 years. 20 years for scandal bags. This one, coffee cup. How long? 30 years.
So this one is the
That's the most. Yeah, let's see this one. Straws. 200 years. What about wipes?
It's more from this one.
Nah, that one's more. Yeah. What about wipes? 100 years. Oh my god. 450 years for what? A plastic bottle. 500 years for nappy. Wow. And there's, let's see over here. So you pick one. And let's.
No.
It's just all the pebbles you get to choose from, but you pick one already. Yeah?
Hello. But there's no marker.
Yeah, we have to go over here. You design it over here. So you have to find a spot. Yeah, we did, yeah. So let's find a spot now. Come on. Sorry, she just needs to design her pebble. Go sit down, my love. There are markers in here. Are you gonna put some flowers?
Like four.
No, we could do some decorations now. Look, you could draw little hearts or stars. There's other colours here as well. So this was actually collected from Brighton Beach and they made a fish out of it. Let me see. She's all done, Hastings, ma'am. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Let me focus on it. Don't move. Wow, look at your seeds.
Here we go. So this is for you. Alright? So can you hold that in one hand? Don't put your stone down. That's it. Come and see me.
Come closer.
And using one of the scoops, put one scoop into there for me. Can you do
Put it
that?
into your bag.
That's it. Good job, that was amazing, well done. And then here, I need your help as well. Can you see on here, it's got, can you take that off for me and put it in the yellow bin, just there. It's perfect. That, my lovely, is for you to sprinkle
Thank
around.
you.
So swap. There we go.
Alright, let's go, Papa.
And I think your mum's got your easy
Yeah, we got the
trail
trail.
for that, so that's good.